So, I filled it up almost halfway. Like, I knew it was gonna leak. And I want to kind of time it. You know what I'm saying? I want to wake up in the morning and see how much is gone at noon. Well, anywhere in between 11 and 1 o'clock. Now, my flash ain't gonna work. I hope this is enough light to see. But, like, I don't understand because the tank itself, like, holds. There's no leaks on the edge. And here, I don't get why it's not silicone, but I don't really see initial moisture. It is literally leaking, I do believe, and it's going to be hard to tell until it gets a little lower and I can pick it up, but I think it is leaking from the seam of this board, this connection joint down here to where it connects to this bottom board. So my guess is I am gonna have to re-seal the whole inside. I don't think just a bead of silicone is gonna fix my problem, unfortunately. Hello everybody and welcome back to Casual Aquatics. Today we are going to be applying pond armor on this plywood build. I got this tank about 6 months ago for $50 and I originally got it just for the glass because I'm going to use it for my 1,500 gallon build. However, that 1,500 is not going to happen anytime soon due to cost and stuff like that. So I decided I'm going to put this thing to use. I'm going to use this as my large cichlids tank and turn the 135 into a large community tank. So I thought I would take you along for the journey in applying this pond armor if you've never done it. Stay tuned. They have two different instructions that come with the pond armor. One is for smooth surfaces that you're going to apply it to, and the other is for rough surfaces. So if your surface is a lot rougher and textured, I'm going to follow the rough surface one, which is 2 cups of Part A. Part A contains 2 parts, and 1 cup of Part B. And then it's optional, you can add alcohol, 1/8 to 1/4 cup of alcohol. That kind of thins it out, might expand it a little, but it even says here that it's not going to make it any easier to apply. First things first, I gotta get all of the sand and loose whateverness out of this tank. I'm gonna just set it upright and take a broom and literally sweep it all out. Then from there, I'm gonna mix the solution and apply it. I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned out, and then we'll jump back to the video because I'm sure you don't want to watch that. So hang tight. So I fibbed. I found this container that I had acrylic paint in, and obviously acrylic paint is fish safe. So I'm going to use this container to mix them together in. So I originally thought I got black, but apparently I got gray. However, I'm probably going to have to get more because I'm not sure this is going to be enough for this whole tank, but we shall see. Almost filled up this whole tray. There's still some inside of here. Maybe I can scrape out if need be. Let the rest of it kind of pour there. My handy dandy brush. So I have gotten a good chunk of base coat of it put on. I wasn't thinking that I would actually need an individual little brush, but to get up there along that edge, I'm going to use this brush to get all the edges and corners. I probably should have flipped this the right side up, but I was trying to allow you guys to see some of this process. Brush 1 has finally bit the bullet, so here I am with brush 2. Like I said, you really want to have like 2 or 3 of these, along with an extra corner and some regular paint brushes to kind of get the edges and crevices. So this stuff, the chemical compound that mixes, actually heats up, and you can see the smoke coming out of this. So this is a lesson learned. Don't mix too much at a time because you're not going to get to it, and then it's going to start going solid on you. So I'm going to have to end up getting more anyhow. Well, everybody, I am back. Today my epoxy came in. I bought that Pond Armor for like $57. And you can get a whole gallon of this epoxy, tabletop epoxy, for the same price. So duly noted. Do your research. With that said, this has more simple directions. It literally just says mix equal amounts and only put as much as you're going to use in one time. I this time bought measuring cups that have ounce, milliliters, and cups. The whole cup is 1 cup, and so on and so forth down. So I'm literally just gonna mix like a cup and a cup, see what that makes, and maybe do 2 cups and 2 cups, and then hurry up and try to get it in here. Like I said, I just want to do another base coat. There's some spots here that I missed. I mean, the old coat's on it, but again, it leaks, so that was the whole point of this. But I'm not going to bore you guys much longer. The next video will probably be this thing water testing. If you guys took the time to watch this, thank you. If you have any added additional questions, anything that I missed, please leave it in the comments and I will give you as much description as I can. But I'm really excited to just get this complete and set up and running. Thank you.